Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'd like to share with you a very unique selfie stick. It's called the 360 Pro backpack. This is a very compact but very long selfie stick. The length of the selfie stick is around 217 centimeters, which 2.7 meters. But the compact size, this size, when you put them together, the compact size about the selfie stick is around 40 centimeters, which could fit in your backpack. So that is the reason why the name of the selfie stick was called 360 Pro backpack. Actually, it was the second generation of this selfie stick. The first generation is just like the Insta360, the super long selfie stick. The length of that selfie stick is around 17 centimeters, which is much longer than this one. And I'm very glad to receive the 360 Pro backpack selfie stick. And in this video, I'd like to share with you some of the very great features about the selfie stick and why I would like to buy this selfie stick for my one-shot 360 photography. So first, let's take a look at the package. What's inside the package? You can see that it's a transparent plastic box. Inside this plastic box, we have two stickers, a selfie stick, and a hand strap, just like this. And yes, that's all we have. And also we have this one. And we also have a bag for this one. So you can put the selfie stick inside this in the bag and put in your backpack. Okay. And next one, let's talk about the selfie stick. The selfie stick which the purchase is white version. The material for the selfie stick is carbon fiber. And on the bottom we have a 1/4" mount, and you can screw it up because you can use the selfie stick in the sea water, and you take out and you can put the selfie stick on the sun and dry the selfie stick. On the top we have a conventional GoPro mount. It's like this. It's a conventional GoPro mount, and if you want to install your one-shot 360 camera that has a 1/4" mount on the bottom, you can buy another converter like this. You can convert a GoPro mount into a 1/4" mount, but still maintain a very small nadir part. And how it could contain the 217 centimeters in such compact size? The reason why is that it has 8 segments. The first segment, you can see that it consists of the first section consists of 3 sections. The first part, 1, 2, 3. And the second part of this one consists of 2 sections, 1, 2. And the third one, if you drag and drop, you can just drag and drop like this. And you can see it has 3 more sections. So altogether we have 8 sections, and that is the reason why we have 217 centimeters selfie stick inside a 40 centimeters selfie stick. And the reason why I want to have this selfie stick is that I want a selfie stick that is 3 meters long, but also could fit in my backpack. And this is my only choice on the market. And you know that before that I choose the Bushman, the cedar pole, and the core light, stick them together, and I can also get 3 meters long selfie stick with carbon fiber. But that is something that is a little bit complicated because I need 2 more sections and I need to stick them together, which wastes a little bit more time. And when I take this one, it's very robust. It's much stronger than the Talisman and Insta360 super long selfie stick. It will not bend heavily, even if with a very long compact size. You can see it's very sturdy, right? This one is, the build quality for this is very cool. And the top is also very strong. You can see it's very sturdy. So I don't have to worry about its robustness, and I can take it with me anywhere with my backpack. The other thing I want to share with you is that with this selfie stick, you can extend. We have 4 working length. The first part is 40 centimeters like this to put them all together. The second is that you can drag and slash the first 3 segments together, and you will end up with around 1.5 meters of working height. And you can also pull out the first 2 parts, and you end up with around 2 meters long. And if you put them all together, open up all 8 segments, you will have 2.7 meters. And it's really high, and it's really cool, really cool. And we know that many of the hardcore GoPro users have this very unique and very beautiful, very short, super long selfie stick. And that is all I want to share with you with this selfie stick. And I'm gonna take this one with me every day on the road, so I can take lots of more interesting point of view and shoot more behind the scenes video for you guys. And I hope I could take much more interesting shot with this selfie stick. And with the height of 270 meters long, we can put our one-shot 360 camera to many more of the interesting point of view. And that will give us much more possibilities in creating stunning photos and videos. And the viewpoint is actually very important in the one-shot 360 photography. If you have long been subscribed to my channel, you will learn that I do care very much about the quality and the point of view. And in this video, I'm very happy to share with you my experience with this selfie stick, and soon you will see this selfie stick in my behind the scenes video. That is my impression and experience about the selfie stick. Don't forget, subscribe, thumb up, and hit notification bell. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for